So for continuation, the last part for our clutches. So for number 20, this clutch has 6 pairs of contacting friction faces. So you have 6 pairs. The frictional radius is 2.5 inch and the coefficient of friction is 0.28. The axial force is 20 pounds acts on the clutch. The shaft speed is 380 RPM. What is the power transmitted by the clutch? Oh, very basic. Pag pinasok mo agad, paslaki ng value. So, 20, that is power, N, F, FA, RM, N. Divide factor. So, power. Ilang pairs? 6. So, ilan gagamitin mo? 6 din. 6 pairs eh. Okay, 6. F is 0.28. Okay, multiplied to FA. FA is 120 pounds. Then RM mo is 2.5 inch. And then N, N is 380 RPM. Medyo mabagal pa tong clutch. Then factor, 63025 pound, inch, RPM, every HP. Cancel all same units. Pound, pound, inch, inch, RPM, RPM. Lalabas si HP. So the power is, so 6 times 0.28 times 120 times 2.5 times 380 divided by 63025. That is 3.03. 9 HP. Okay? So that is for number 20. Very basic. Number 21. How about number 21? A clutch has an outside diameter of 9 inch and an inside diameter of 4 inch. An axial force of 600 pounds is used to hold the two parts together. If the friction is 0.30, how much torque can it handle? So, torque number 21. Torque is equal to N, F, FA, RM. So, a clutch. So, single clutch yan. So, number 21. Torque is equal to 1 times friction is 0.3 multiplied to 600 pounds. Okay, 600 pounds. Hindi sinabi if this is uniform wear or uniform pressure. So, gagamitin mo parati is uniform pressure. So, outside diameter and inside diameter. Kapag diameter ang ginamit, 1/3 lang yun. Okay? So, 9 cube minus 4 cube divided by 9 squared minus 4 squared inch. So, torque is equal to 0.3 times 600. Okay? Divide by 3 times 9 cube minus 4 cube 9 squared minus 4 squared. So, ang sagot ay 613.8462 pound inch. Okay? That is for the torque. 2 problems na tayo. Next problem, number 22. How much torque, tanong dito, how much torque can a cone clutch transmit if the angle of conical elements is 12 degrees? The mean diameter of the conical section is 180 and an axial force 500. Okay, consider a coefficient of friction na 40. So, axial force FA. Tanda natin that if FA is given, divide mo lang ng sin theta. Okay? Pag Fn is given, wag mo na i-divide ng sin theta. So, ang hinahanap lang dyan is torque. Number 22. So, torque is equal to FA Rm times F divide by sine alpha. Yung FA mo is 500 newtons. 0.4 times 500 newtons Rm. Naka mean diameter tayo, kaya di-divide ng 2. So, 180 mm divide by 2. Okay, kompleto na. As divide by sine 12 degrees. Okay, check natin. Okay, ang kailangan ko dito is Newton meter. Kaya ang gagawin ko, multiply ko na lang ng 1 meter every 1,000 mm. Cancel all same units. mm. Lalabas dyan is Newton meter. So, you have 0.4 times 500 times 90 divide by sine 12. So, hindi pa ito nakaano ha. Di-divide pa natin ng 1,000. So, this is okay. So, buray natin. This will become 86.575 Newton meter. Okay. So, number 23. Last problem. A cone clutch has an angle of 10 degrees. Okay? And the coefficient of friction na 40. Compute for the axial force required if the capacity of the clutch is 12 kilowatts and 520 RPM. The mean diameter of the active conical sections is 310 mm. Use uniform wear method. Ay. So, ang hinahanap is axial force. Ayan, axial force. So, let us proceed. For number 23, power is equal to F, FA, RM, and divide by factor. Kailangan ko si FA. Form natin in terms of FA. FA, power times factor. Kulang ako dito ng sine alpha. Okay? Sine alpha. Divide by F, RM, and then N. So, paslak lahat ng value. So, FA is equal to, power natin is 12 kilowatts. Okay? Tama, 12 kilowatts. 9549123 Newton millimeter RPM every kilowatts multiplied to sine alpha 10 degrees, sine 10 degrees, divide by coefficient of friction is 0.4. Yun, nagkakamali. 0.4. RM natin is naka-DM. So, 310 divide by 2 mm. And then N is 520 RPM. Cancel same units. RPM, kilowatt, mm. Ang lalabas is newtons. Okay? So, 12 times 9549123 times sine 10 degrees. Divide by 0.4 times 155 kasi 310 divide by 2 eh. Times 520. So, the answer is 617.18 newtons. Very basic ang problem na to. Okay? Pag binigyan ka niya sa board exam, nako, perfect ka na kagad. Okay? So that wraps up yung discussions and solving of problems ng clutches.